Hi everyone, welcome. So this tutorial I will show you how to set a tooltip in the map visual. A tooltip which I wanted to have is a pie chart. So let's see how we can do that. So my data source has country, month and sales. Those are the values that I have. So first I create a world map. So as world map. Yeah, usually it comes here. So this is the world map visual. So as you can see now, it displays the country and the tooltip. As you can see, it just show the name of the country. So that is how the tooltip currently seen. So let's see how we can modify this tooltip and set a pie chart into that. All right, so setting a custom tooltip. Uh, so for that, I need to create a new page, and then I will add a pie chart to this one. This is my pie chart. Oh, before the pie chart, so I need to convert this page as a tooltip page. For that, I need to go here, page information, allow to use as tooltip. I need to set it in this way, and the canvas setting also, I need to set it as tooltip. Otherwise, it has some different sizes, so I need to set as tooltip. So this is the size of the tooltip. So this page will be page 2 will be converted as a tooltip page. Right, so now I add a pie chart to this one. So here my pie chart is, so I want to set the sales value into this, right? So then maybe I will detail label. So detail label will be kept, and then maybe remove the, I'll set the title as sales values in USD, some name into that, and then header icon, I'll set it. Yeah, detail label also I kept it, and I want to remove this one. So let's see where I can remove it. Maybe the legend. Right. So this is how I create the tooltip. Right. So now coming to page 1. Okay, so this is how my map looks like. So I want to set the tooltip. I need to adjust the tool. Select the visual and then go to modify, and then go to general settings, and then the tooltip it's on, and I need to set it as page number 2, right? So here options, you can set the page number 2 as the tooltip of this one. So then if you hover, let's say North America, so as you can see the North American sales value, the sum of the sales value will be displaying. So when it comes to Europe, it comes accordingly, and when it comes to India, it comes according. So this is how you can set a custom tooltip into a map visual. Thank you, and keep in touch with my more videos.